Feel the breeze of the natural. A round of applause for the parade of our Eastern Glass Eye. At ayan na si Kali, folks. Okay na, Kali. Come here na, boy. Nandito na si Kuya Boy. There you go. Palakpakan po natin si Kali, folks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is Kali, our Eastern Glass Owl, with the scientific name of Tyto longhemembris amauronata, or locally known as the kuwagu. Male grass owls have lighter facial teeth, while female grass owls have brownish facial teeth. And did you know that they have tubular eyes? Ibig sabihin, straight lang po yung kanilang mga paningin. They cannot look up, down, left, and right. Instead, they turn their neck 270 degrees. Fun fact about this. There you go. Palakpakan po natin si Lakas, folks. Ayan, okay. Free viewing muna tayo kay Lakas ngayong hapon. At sa mga bisita natin, double check your cameras lang po, okay? Paki-off lang po yung mga flash natin. And yung mga kiddos po natin, guys, please supervise your children at all times. Now, once again, folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle in the Philippines, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. Palakpakan po natin si Lakas, folks. Yeah. There you go. And that's all for Lakas po. A round of applause. Ayan na si Pagaspas, folks. Once again, that is Pagaspas, our Philippine serpent eagle. Now, Pagaspas will show us how they hunt po, kaya si Kuya Siren natin ay may hawak-hawak na toy lizard. Okay na, Pagaspas, come here na, boy. Nandiyan na yung toy lizard natin sa table. Ay, mukhang nakita na ni Pagaspas. Ayan, folks, yung mga kiddos natin na may toy lizard dyan, pakikip lang po, ha? Baka yun po yung kunin ni Pagaspas. Okay? Ayan, yung mga beans, ibig sabihin, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas makikita. And as what their name suggests, serpent, is because 90% of their diets are consist of snakes and lizards. Once again, folks, Barak, and there you go. Palakpakan po natin si Barak, guys. At nandun na pala si Barak. Sa butas pala siya dumaan, folks. Once again, folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold mako, with the scientific name of Ararauna, Kuya Richie. Okay, once again, folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold mako, with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So magkasing talino lang ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Ay gusto nyo bang makita guys? Gusto nyo bang makita kung gaano katalino si Barak? Daw, be? High five up here. Ayan, ay isa pa daw Kuya Richie. Ayan. At hindi lang yan, si Barak ay napaka-sweet din. Ay yes po, napakalambing po ni Barak guys. Tingnan nyo to guys ha. Okay, Barak, kiss natin si Kuya Richie sa pisngi daw be sa cheek. Ayan. Mukhang nabiti pa yata si Kuya Richie. Mukhang gusto pa ni Kuya Richie ng isa guys. Okay, Barak, kiss natin si Kuya Richie pero hindi na sa cheek. Saan natin gusto guys? Saan? Sa lips ng Kuya Richie. Gusto mo ba Kuya Richie? Ayan, siyempre naman. Okay, para kiss natin si Kuya Richie sa lips daw, be. Wow! Sana, oh. But hey, folks, blue and gold macaws don't build their nest. Instead, naghahanap po sila and go! Okay na ba na? Anong gagawin natin, boy? Dahan-dahan lang tayo sa pagbaba, ha? Ayan, kunin natin yung kahoy na nilapag ni Kuya Richie. Tingnan natin guys, si Barak. Yep, there you go. That is free hands-on beak in action po. Meaning, they are able to grab things without using their feet po. And as you can see, ginagamit ni Barak yung kanyang tuka para kunin yung kahoy. Ayan, there you go. Paper money. Yep, there you go. Buhay yung pera. Yep, balik kay Kuya Jimar. There you go. Palapakan natin si Jumbo guys. Sir, hindi pa po tayo tapos sir. Ibabalik lang ni Jumbo. Ayan. Okay, Jumbo, balik natin yung pera, boy, ha? Ayun, Jumbo, balik natin yung pera kay sir. Ayan, napag natin yung pera, balik kay Kuya Jimar. And there you go, palapakan natin si sir. 2, 3, and... More energy, more power, ready, count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Ayan, mukhang ready na yung mga bisita natin mga kuya. Kuya Richie, Kuya Sarel. Ready na mga ating mga kalaw now guys. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Wow, what a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so... At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and that is Mr. Bill and Jay from Blaze to Blaze or tumatalon sila. They are known as seed disperser. Palawan. Once again folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat with a scientific name of Arctictis binturong or locally known as binturong po. And did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb, meaning as a prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasinggaling lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan po yung kanilang mga tail, same sa mga monkey. At ipapakita yan ni Teddy ngayong hapon po. Okay now Teddy, go to your spot na boy, and are you ready to down, down, down? Ngayong hapon folks. And tayo natin si Teddy guys sa mukha makapaghanda siya folks. At yung mga cameras po natin, pa-prepare lang po, okay? Ayan, okay now Teddy, are you ready to down, down, down na boy? Ayan, mukhang ready na si Teddy folks. There you go, that is free hands-on in action po, and they are doing that in the wild to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palapakan natin si Teddy folks, brother of Teddy folks. By the way guys, Palawan Bearcats are endemic here in the Philippines. Ibig sabihin, dito na po sila sa Pilipinas makikita, specifically sa Palawan. Now the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing using their 2 hind legs like a bear. At ipapakita yan yung uno. Up, 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 up na boy. Yeah. There you go. That is 2 hind legs in action po like a bear. And they are doing that in the wild to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Uno guys. Uno, thank you so much boy. Well folks, fun fact about Palawan Bear. Uno.
Part of the art.
Ano kuya? Asa si ganun kuya? Guys, uulit-ulitin ko pong sasabihin sa inyo folks that we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At sabi po ng mga kuya natin na wala daw po si Daniel sa likuran guys. At baka nakatakas daw po si Daniel, okay? Baka nandito lang po sila sa ating harapan. Tingnan niyo po yung katabi ko guys. Baka si Daniel na po yan, okay? Kung ano mang makita niyo po, relax na po tayo ha. Maybe check under your seats na lang daw folks. Baka nandyan lang sa tabi-tabi si Daniel. Mahilig kasi siyang maglaro ng hide and seek. Ayan mga kuya, nandyan mga kuya. Ayan ha, nakiwag in front ng mga kuya natin guys. Mukhang lalabas na si Daniel. Ayan na nga. Ayan na kuya. Kuha ilabasan natin. Yeah, there you go. That is Daniel. Our gentle giant. Our Burmese fighter. O mga ate, upo lang po tayo guys. Baka mahulog tayo sa ating upuan. Okay, wag po tayong mag-sit up. Wag po tayong matakot kay Daniel. Diba sabi nga nila, conquer your fear. Face your fear guys. Labanan po natin ang ating mga takot and sa mga bisita natin na hindi pa nakapag-experience humawak ng snakes. It's your time to shine po na hawakan si Daniel. Kaya hintay na po natin na maka-ikot si Kuya Boy sa inyo guys. Okay? And syempre, po natin, huwag po natin kurutin si Daniel ha. Makamasaktan si Daniel guys. Ayan siya. Ayan. Okay po.